Hey everyone, it is Michael Babcock. Hope you are doing amazing on Friday, December 26th, 2014. And hopefully you had an awesome Christmas and you enjoyed the time that you spent with your family and you're ready to make a lot of things happen in 2015. I've been talking about doing this training on how to do blogging and how to set up blogs. And I'm going to do a quick training for everyone. So please stay tuned to the end of this. If you want me to do all the steps and set up your WordPress for you, either on your hosting account of your own, or if you need hosting, you can get in contact with me and I can help you with that as well. Then here's what I need you to do, okay? This number is not valid right now. It will be valid. Actually, no, sorry, I apologize. It will be valid right now. Sorry about that. So it is valid now. What you need to do is you need to give me a call. Okay, I'm really wanting to build some connections with people. I'm really wanting to get to know people and figure out how I can help them be successful. So you need to give me a call. The number is going to be 240-389-3377. That's 240-3-TWEEPS. Once more, 240-389-3377. I'll give that number to you at the end of this broadcast as well. And after you've dialed that number, you'll want to enter extension 709. Once more, that's extension 709, and we can talk about what we need to do to get your site set up, and we'll figure something out so I can get that set up for you. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the process of setting up WordPress using the domain of myownpaytraining.com. Okay, that's the domain that we're going to be using for demonstration purposes. I do want to make a couple of disclaimers here at the beginning. Things will look different on your hosting account than they do on mine. I've customized mine a little bit, and one of my hosts, because I have several different hosting accounts, one of my hosts has customized things as well. Before we get into this review, if you find anything in this video to be valuable or useful, please do me a favor and share this video with your social networks. It's what I really am trying to get, is more social engagement. So go ahead and share this video with your social networks, and let's help people see success instead of paying other people to get them success. Now, why do I like WordPress? WordPress is an amazing tool because it's open source and it allows you to customize it as much or as little as you desire. All of my sites run off of WordPress except for a couple of landing pages that I've created by hand. But all of my sites pretty much run on WordPress, and WordPress has a very flexible plugin system, which is pretty awesome. I really like their plugins. Now, let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and actually get it set up and going. So I'm going to go ahead and click on over here and start doing some screen sharing with everyone. That way you guys can watch exactly what I'm doing. And you know what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to follow these step-by-step directions as much as possible. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my hosting account. Old habits die hard. If you watch the domain, that was an old domain I typed in. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my username. You should know your username for your cPanel or your hosting account. If you don't, give me a call. Once again, I'll give you that information at the end of this video, and we can try to get it figured out for you. Now, here's where things are going to start looking different. I'm going to go ahead and find the Installatron. Or no, it's not Installatron. It is, that's right. I was just helping another client, and they use Installatron. As you can see right there, I'm going to a link that says Softaculous. You may have a link on your cPanel server called Installatron, or you may have a link called Fantastico, or you may have something else that has scripts, or there might even just be a WordPress link off your main control panel page. It depends on your hosting provider, and that's why you need to watch these steps and follow them generally. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on Installatron or Softaculous. Need to get Installatron out of my head. This brings up a bunch of different scripts you can install. So I'm going to go ahead and look for WordPress. I'm going to go ahead and select WordPress. This brings me to the Softaculous WordPress site. And now I can go ahead and, I haven't done this in a couple of days. As you can see, I've got a couple of installations. Doo-doo-doo. Hold on one quick moment. Install. You want to come over here and find the install button, okay? So I'm going to hit install. Now it's going to give you this little form to fill out. It says, if your site has SSL, please choose HTTPS. We're going to leave this at the default because I have not paid for a certificate. You may have or may not have. Figure that out or give me a call and we'll figure it out. I'm going to hit tab. The domain to install the software. And I want to, as I said, installed on my own pay training. There we go, myownpaytraining.com. I have a lot of domains. Now, if you wanted to, here's where it says WP. If you wanted to, you could install 30 different blogs on your domain name, like myname.com/znz, myname.com/gdi, myname.com/product name, and set up a blog for each one of your products. But what we're going to do is I'm going to blank this out. This is where you'd put ZNZ or GDI or product name in my previous comment. So I'm going to go ahead and erase that because I want it to install at yourownpaytraining.com. I'm going to leave this database name the way it is, leave the table prefix the way it is. Site name, we're going to call it My Own Pay Training. And for the description, I'm going to put training tips and tricks for those on the My Own Pay team. Now, this is for WordPress multi-user. You can set up WordPress to create blogs, and it would create like blogname.yourownpay or myownpaytraining.com or blogb.myownpaytraining.com. So it really depends on if you want to do, and it makes it so much easier to just add a new blog. But I'm going to leave it as, I'm only going to have one blog on this setup. So I'm going to leave this WordPress multi-user unchecked. Admin, I hate using admin as the administrator name, so I'm going to go ahead and write Babcock, put in a password here. And then it wants my admin email, so I'll put michael@yourownpay.com. English. Hold on. Go over here. I want to leave it at English. With my Softaculous, again, this might be different on your screen. You can install the limit login plugin. I'm going to leave it unchecked for now. It is something that I do like to use though, because if someone enters the wrong login for 5 times in a row, I think it will lock you out of the account for X amount of time. So I'm going to leave that unchecked, but you can automatically enable it, install and enable it if you'd like. There are some advanced options. We're not going to mess with those. What I like about this is you can select a theme. So I'm going to select this Asterio Light theme. Selected that. I'm going to hit the install button. And now we wait for a couple of seconds. Finishing installation. WordPress has been successfully installed at myownpaytraining.com. Administrative URL is myownpaytraining.com/wp-admin. Let me show you the blog. I'm going to go over here. Boom. Look, we have a site there. May not be the prettiest site. It doesn't got much on it, but we have a site there. If you go to wp-admin, and if you put Babcock, as you can see, I'm logged in. This is the WordPress dashboard administrative page. So it's really that easy to set up WordPress. I'm going to go and close this. And that's all that really needs to be done to get WordPress installed on your domain name. Now, if you need some help with getting this done, or you want to talk about WordPress marketing tips or tricks, you need to call 240-389-3377 and enter extension 709. If I'm not available there, then go ahead and leave me a voicemail and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And, let's make 2015 the most amazing year ever. If you found this video to be useful, then please share with your social networks.